So guys, I'm so excited to actually review this particular plugin for WordPress, actually called Shop2Woo WordPress plugin. So this plugin actually allows you to import products from Shopify to your WooCommerce stores. Probably maybe you have been paying expensive money on Shopify, not actually making the money back. You actually want to import all your products back to WooCommerce to be able to start selling on WooCommerce. So this is a plugin you actually need to buy right now. So I'm going to be walking you through exactly how you can set it up, if it actually worth the money or not, or you can use other alternatives. So ensure you watch this video from beginning to the end. So obviously you are going to go over to this website, which is called Shop2Woo.com. I'm going to drop the link to this store or to this WordPress plugin inside the video description for you to actually buy them. So you are going to click on get started to be able to get this plugin. So because that's the first thing obviously you are supposed to do. So the plugin actually costs you $19.99, and the regular price, which other people like other stores sell it, is around $69. So and you have a 3 license, like a 3 site license. You can import product unlimitedly on this particular license. So what you have to do is to click on buy over here to be able to buy the plugin. So that's the first thing you are supposed to do. You can pay with either your PayPal or your credit card. So I've already gotten this plugin, so I'm just going to show you exactly how you can install it and how you can use it to import product from Shopify to WooCommerce. So ensure you follow up along with this tutorial. So the website we are going to be using for this demonstration is this my untrended website. So this website actually publishes content related to tech and other related products, which is in tech niche. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually import product to this website. So over here, the first thing you are supposed to do is to go over to your dashboard. Then you are going to install WooCommerce, which I've done that. So the second thing you have to do is to install the plugin you actually bought from Shop2Woo, which you are going to go over here, click on a plugin, then click on add a new plugin to be able to add Shop2Woo plugin to your website. Then you are going to click on upload the plugin over here. Choose the plugin you actually want to install. So I already downloaded it, so this is the plugin. Then click on open a plugin, then click on install. I've already done the installation, so it is pretty simple. You can do it yourself. So after you've installed your Shop2Woo plugin, you are going to see it over here. As you can see, this is the Shop2Woo plugin. You are going to click on it, click on Shop2Woo plugin to start the importation. But it is very important that you are going to get the file you are going to import on this website. So this is the next thing you are supposed to do. Click on how to use the plugin, then scroll down a little bit to get a particular URL that we are going to use to export our product from Shopify. So you are going to copy this particular URL in the section 4, copy it, then you are going to paste this in another browser to show you what you are going to do next. So this is the website you are going to use to import our, export our product from Shopify. So I will be using this store, which is Period.us. So this website basically sell out of watches that actually very popular in United States. So what in the case of this tutorial, I'm actually going to be affiliating this product to sell it on my own store to make commission. So as you can see, they sell a lot of watches. So what you are going to do to get their product is to copy the URL, then go over to the URL you paste in another browser. Then you're going to change this your store.shopify.com. So change it to the store you actually want to export. You remove the slash, then click on enter. So as you can see, these are all the JSON file of this store, including the images, the product description. So but you have to clean up the file. Then you are going to click on P3 print, then click on Ctrl X or Ctrl Save to be able to save this product to your system or to your laptop. As you can see, this is the product. I'm going to choose the name, maybe 4444 for in case of tutorial. So I'm going to save it. As you can see, that's the first thing we are supposed to do. We have downloaded all the file to our laptops. And one important thing, one of the advantage of this method is probably if you have been paying for Shopify and your subscription is about to expire, you can actually export all your products and download it to your file for further, maybe you want to import it to another store or you want to migrate to WooCommerce, so you can save it on your file and be able to use it later in the future. So the next thing we are supposed to do over here is to come over to our dashboard, our dashboard, as you can see. So the next thing is to connect our REST API to our Shop2Woo. So we are going to open another tab. Click on here, then actually open our store or website in another tab to be able to do the installation. Then come over to Shop2Woo. Once again, I'm going to come over to Shop2Woo, then click on settings. As you can see, click on settings over here. Click on settings. Then this is where we are going to actually connect our REST API key with our Shop2Woo. So I'm going to go over to the next, the other page we open, then come over to WooCommerce, then click on settings over here. Click on settings, then it's going to load up the settings page for us. So over here, you are going to choose advanced settings over here. Click on advanced settings to be able to do the connection. Then you are going to choose REST API to choose the API you are going to use. So as you can see, I've actually created several API key for this store. So if in your own case it's going to be new because you have not created any API key, so all you have to do is to click on add a new key over here. Click on add a new key. So mind you, I'm going to blur this information because it's again used to policy to be able to show all those important information. So you are going to choose the name you actually want to use for this API key. So I'm going to choose Shop2Woo API key. So then over here, you are going to obviously going to be the admin of this particular API key. Then you are going to choose the permission. So currently it is read only, but we are going to choose read and write. Click on read and write, then generate our API key to start importing products from Shopify to WooCommerce. So as you can see, we already got in our customer key, and we also got in our customer secret. So let me copy the customer key, copy the customer key, then go over to our Shop2Woo plugin settings. Then I'm going to paste the key over here. No, actually paste the key, then go over to WooCommerce once again. I'm going to copy this customer secret, then go over to Shop2Woo once again, actually paste it over here, then click on save. So we are pretty done with the settings of our API key. So, but the next thing you are supposed to do as a complete beginner, like trying to use this plugin for the first time, is to go over to the import section to change some settings. As you can see, if you are actually promoting products, like you are actually affiliating someone else's product, you can choose external or affiliate product. But if it is your own product, maybe a simple product, you can choose a simple product so that it will just be selling it on your own store. But if it is affiliate, you can choose affiliate product. Or if the product is actually app variable, you can choose any of these settings you want. And one important thing, like one of the advantages of using Shop2Woo plugin, is the fact that you can choose the product status. So if you are importing from Shopify and you actually want to save it in your draft before you eventually publish it, you can choose draft. But if you want to publish it directly as you are importing the product from Shopify to your store, it is being published straight off, you can choose publish. So depend on your specification, and you can choose the category you actually want to add this product to. So over here, you can choose image. No, if you want to use external image for local storage, it depends on your preferences and your choice. So after you have done with all the settings, click on save. Then you are going to start importing product from Shopify to WooCommerce. And more importantly, if you are enjoying this video, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that it will encourage me to make more videos just like this. So as you can see, I'm going to scroll down a little bit, then go over to my Shop2Woo plugin over here. Click on Shop2Woo to be able to start the importation of our products. So this is where you are going to upload your JSON file. So you are going to click on choose a file. Then actually this is the product we downloaded. So I'm going to choose this file, then click on open, then start our importation. So but one thing is this plugin we actually do is to fetch all the products. So I'm going to click on fetch the product, and here you are going to choose if you actually want to import all the image on the store, like on the products. Maybe the image have 10 products, you want to import all of them, you are going to choose yes. But if you actually want to import just the product description or the image, you are going to choose no. But I actually want to import all the images, Let me choose yes, and this particular Shop2Woo plugin will start fetching. As you can see, it has fetched all the products. Like the store actually have 19 products, and we can be able to import all of these products to our own store. So as you can see, those are all the products available on the Shopify store. So I'm going to import this particular one, which is the Transatlantic GMT automatic watch. I'm going to import it to our store to show you that this particular plugin actually works. So I'm going to click on import. So, but mind you, if you want to import all of them at once, you can do import all, and it's going to import all the products to your store. But one of the disadvantages of importing all is the fact that sometimes you might not want to import certain products. You want to import a specific product, so you might have issue with that. So as you can see, I think you are done with the importation. So let me scroll down to check the progress bar. As you can see, successfully imported, and this is the product automatic watch. So let me go over to my store, which is the Shopify store. Go over to Shopify store. So over here, to show you that it has been added to our product tab. So I'm going to go over to product, then click on all product to show you that it has been added successfully. So let me scroll down. As you can see, it has been added. And if you check this product is actually in our draft, so we can easily publish it ourselves. But if you choose publish directly, it's going to publish it directly. So I'm going to click on edit to show you what this particular plugin has helped us to do. So as you can see, this is the product title, and let me show you that it actually imports the product description. So imagine you doing it manually, trying to copy and paste. It takes a lot of time, but this product will automatically do it for you. So let's check what again. It actually imports the product image and also the product gallery. So I believe this product is one of the two you have to get if you actually have intention of importing all your products from Shopify to your WooCommerce store, so that you can start selling. And for those that want to do affiliate marketing, that have intention of affiliating the product, instead of you going to their website and start downloading their images, start downloading their product description, so this particular Shop2Woo plugin will definitely help you to do all the heavy lifting. Me personally, I feel this plugin actually worth the money, considering the fact that you are just paying just $19.99 to import unlimited products from any store, like any e-commerce store. So I will actually encourage you to get the plugin to start importing your product from Shopify to your WooCommerce store. If you actually love this video, ensure you subscribe so that you will see more videos just like this on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.